Today we're going to be replacing the headlight assemblies on a 2006 Toyota Sienna XLE. It's a cold day here in Indiana, but we need to get this job done. As you can see, our headlights are really foggy on this vehicle. So I bought these off of eBay. They're new assemblies, new light assemblies. They come with the bulbs and everything. I paid about $200 for them. I think this is a part number. That might help you out. Maybe that one there too. Not sure which one it is. I got the left and the right side. Should be a pretty simple job. The only tools you should need is a 10mm socket, an extension, a ratchet, and a flat screwdriver. It should take you only about 10 to 20 minutes if everything goes okay. There's 4 bolts that you're gonna have to take out. One here, one underneath this cover, and then there's one in the side underneath here. So it's not too bad to get to, but we're gonna have to pop this off to get to that 4th one. We're gonna start with the easy ones first. Kind of cold weather here in Indiana, so I'm going to have to be careful getting to this one. Actually, if this comes out, this one here is down in here. This one here, you have to pop these little things off, these little pop rivets, to be able to pop this side out. Once those are out, then you should be able to pop this side off. The little screw on the bottom I took out. I think it might give us more play. Yeah. They just pop out, but they're tight. This one here is right here. This black one here towards the front, I believe. So, since the new one came with bulbs and everything, all I have to do is unplug all the connectors from the back of this light, remove it, bring the new one over here, plug them back in. Fit this one in here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the lights first. It's kind of like a puzzle getting it back in. Bit of a pain, but I think it's because the weather's getting cold. Huge difference in brightness. just got to do the other one. Well, that's how to replace the headlight assemblies on a 2006 Toyota Sienna. It's not too bad. Cold weather doesn't help with the bending of the bumper and all the plastic and everything, but it can be done. So good luck with all your projects.